welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my song and how I got it to be pink. So I just did this and I made this yesterday. So how it started was I put pink hair down and just now and then when I did that it went like pink. Hold on, let me do that. Blue. Oh. And you guys comment down below if you think I